Hello, welcome to the video. In today's video, we are going to see how to use Microsoft Excel slicers. First, we need to go to the Excel sheet. After coming to Excel sheet, you have to go to the Insert menu. If you have a pivot table, you can see it here. Then you just have to go to Pivot Table, where you can see the Insert Slicer. You have to click on it and you need to tick mark the criteria which you want to distinguish in the people. For now, we are creating the two criteria of class and attendance and pressing OK. As you can see, we have two types of slicers from where we can see. For instance, I want to see how many people from class A has attendance more than 80%. So I would say for 81, I can see in which class the lowest attendance is there. By clicking 75, the A and B is highlighted, so there is no one in class C who has a 75% attendance. When I click on 76, then in three of the classes there's the 76% attendance man is there. And in this filter, then we can add the class B so that we can see how many people are having the different type of attendance in here, and we can also see which are not available in here at the last. So you can distinguish your data that way by using slicers in Excel sheet. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then please like and share our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.